Say.
Good morning everyone, myself I am studying in project Islands.
ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಗುಡ್ ಲಿವಿ
ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ.
Very big mountain. Lava comes from inside the earth. Volcanoes make the ground shake. Volcanoes are very hot. Volcanoes can be dangerous. Thank you. Good morning everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself Hussain from third standard. My project name is
Farmer machine.
Farmer Machine.
Not working.
My name is Poojan. My studying in UKG. My name is Poojan.
Project work.
My project was hat.
Hut.
Hat.
Hut. Hut.
Hat.
Good morning, good afternoon everyone. Myself Amrit from first standard. My school name is Sappan. My project work is types of house. Tent is a portable shelter made of fabrics. I have car. It is blue color. I have car. It is blue color. This one
Say color only. What is that name?
car. Houseboat, hut, apartment, house, still house.
Good morning everyone. Myself from second standard. My project work is farmhouse. Domestically friendly farmhouse.
Very good. Say. My name is Saitavi.
My name is Saidavi.
Fruit chart. This is fruits. Fruits. This one who's Shreya? Shreya?
Good morning everyone.
Say louder.
Second standard. My project is a part of flower. Stem.
Say pass.
Stem.
Okay.
Good morning everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself from fourth standard. My project work is Chandrayaan 3 rocket. Chandrayaan 3
ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು
mission. It was launched by ISRO. The launch was on 23 August 2023.
Say louder.
Good morning everyone. I'm studying.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon everyone. I'm studying in first standard. Today is
Maths project.
math project. 2, 3, 5.
Hello.
Animal forest.
Animals. Forest.
Forest. My name is Sarasri.
My project work is birds. Sure. Birds. Okay, next.
My project name is
National animal.
National Animal.
Shreya. Say louder. Good afternoon. Vegetable.
Good afternoon. Say everyone say good afternoon. Welcome to our school education.
My name is Ajiz.
Say your name.
My student is UKG.
Study. My project
My forest
name is
name is
Forest Animal.
Forest Animal.
Thank you.
Thank you. My name is Pritika. My project name is Life.
Why for?
Yeah.
Okay, good. This one who?